What is up, everybody on YouTube? It is my birthday with another video, and today's video is going to be on KCLOT. It is a streetwear brand that actually reached out to me not too long ago and said, hey, we want to send you some items to show off to your viewers. I said, let's do it. So here it is, 6% off your entire order with the code YoManAlberto on your entire order. Don't forget to use this code, guys. But let's jump into the items that were sent to me. We'll jump into the outfits and go from there. So quick breakdown of how the video is going to turn out is basically I'm going to show you guys what was sent to me, the freebies that were sent to me, the items, I'm going to put them on, my measurements, tell you guys all that, and then at the very end I'm going to do 2 different outfits using their pieces and showing you guys some photos as well. So let's jump into it. Hey guys, real quick, hit that sub button if you aren't already. We're almost at 10K subs, and if we're already there, let's get to 15K subs. We are almost there, guys. Just hit the sub, it goes a long way. Okay, let's jump into the freebies first. So I was greeted with a pamphlet giving some information on the brand. And for those who don't know KCLOT, it's an affordable price, affordable material, featured streetwear brands, sub-brands, and original designs. Next, a fragrance which keeps the clothes fresh in the packaging. Then I received this mask which can be used in multiple ways. A pair of ankle socks, a hat with the Velcro strap in the back, and the KCLOT graphic tee in black. Also on top of that, they threw in a KCLOT long sleeve in white. Didn't expect it, but also a nice touch. The last gift was a thank you card along with the KCLOT necklace. Pretty nice freebies for just placing an order. Let's go over my measurements. I'm about 5'10" in height. I weigh currently about 175 pounds. My bottom waist, I'm typically wearing about a size 32 or a size medium in bottoms. Tops, I'm wearing about a size large. So keep those measurements in mind, guys, as you're watching me wear these clothes going forward. Let's get into it. This is the Cashew Flowers print shirt in the green colorway, a size XL. It does fit good, but as you can tell, it's a little big. I don't mind it, but it's nice and lightweight, which is perfect for spring and summer. I love the color and print on this. This is the baseball varsity jacket in the green colorway. Size large, it fits good like a varsity would. It does have a little bit more room in the body, but I don't mind it as you can layer it with a hoodie underneath. As you can see on both sleeves, they do come with bone patches. The sleeves itself are a little bit thin on this as well, so don't think this is going to be a very thick jacket. It is going to be a pretty light jacket. Right here we have the knitted cow sweater in a size XL. Has a fun print on it, but it does not fit me, unfortunately. It's a little too tight for comfort. I wish I could wear it. I really do like this print a lot, but it is a little too tight. I could kind of get away with it, but ideally it's probably not best. So if you're like me, guys, in between a large and an XL, this XL is the biggest you can go, and it still probably will not fit you, so I probably just pass on this one. But if you're on the smaller side, you can definitely get this. These are the casual plain corduroy sweatpants in the brown colorway. They feel really good on body, and I really love that there are belt loops right here in back pockets. Most sweatpants don't really have all this, so that is actually a really nice touch. It somewhat has like a drop crotch look to it, but it's nothing too drastic. These I'm looking forward to rocking here in the summer. Right here we have the cobweb print jeans in a size XL in the black colorway. The print is a heavy vinyl with white detailing and hints of yellow within the web design. This is not a pure white design, guys. Keep that in mind. There are hints of yellow. As far as sizing, these fit more like a size 34, maybe like a 35, you could say. I do want the baggy look, so these are going to work in the meantime, but a belt is required for me. Now, really quickly, guys, let's talk about the quality regarding the clothes of the pieces that I did receive. You got to keep in mind, guys, this is affordable, not premium, but affordable clothing. It's not gonna be super expensive. It's gonna be easier for you to buy, easier to get access to, which means it's gonna come at a cost, guys, and the quality's not gonna be 100% there. If you're looking for fast fashion, saving some money, you're not gonna wear these pieces all the time, every single day, you're not gonna wash them constantly, this would be a good route to go. If you're gonna do the opposite of what I just said, maybe hold off. But as you guys can see, there are some really good designs and good pieces that, you know, I would still currently buy. Like, I actually really like this a lot. The sweatpants, I really like them a lot. So they really do have some good items for the price point. Now, I have not washed any of these pieces, so I cannot speak on that. But to avoid shrinkage on all clothes, remember to wash cold and tumble dry low or air dry, okay? Keep that in mind. And if you guys like any of these pieces, the link in the description for all of them. But now, let's jump into the 2 outfits I did create. So for the first outfit, we have the varsity up top, a black hoodie layered underneath with the cobweb print jeans in the black colorway, paired with the Nike Cortez on feet. This is a good look for colder nights and days in the spring and fall. Overall, the fit's nice. You can leave the jacket on, take the jacket off. Hoodie on, hoodie off, a lot of combinations you can do here. I chose the Cortez on feet because it was something different and I don't really get to rock these too much, but with the baggy pants, I thought the Cortez was perfect. Now for the second outfit, we do have that paisley print shirt again in the green colorway up top with the white tee underneath. Now personally, I think a tank top would have looked a lot nicer than a t-shirt, but this is all I had at the moment. Underneath, we do have the corduroy sweats in the brown colorway paired with the white Nike Quando ones on feet. Now this is more of like a higher fashion kind of look. I just want to have a little bit better of a vibe rather than more of a street look necessarily. So I kind of just ditched the sneakers and kind of went for the upper class look. Like I said, with a tank top, it would have looked a lot better for that look I was going for, but in the meantime, the white tee will do. This is a perfect outfit for the summertime vibes, and the colors are going to stand out and give you a lot of attention. But yeah guys, that's going to do it for this haul video by KCLOT. I hope you guys liked it. If you guys did, please give it a thumbs up, and if you're new here, definitely subscribe. I do post Wednesday, Friday, and Sundays, and love to see you guys here on the next video. I'm trying to get to 10K guys. Let's get to 10K subs. It's not that hard, and if we're already at 10K subs when you're watching this, let's get to 15K subs. Let's do it. It's not that hard. Once again, big shout out to KCLOT for sending this out to me. Very much appreciated. And once again, guys, use the code YoManAlberto to get 6% off your entire order. Every percentage counts, okay? But that's gonna do it for me, guys. So stay fresh, stay fly. I'm out.